the 3 best options trading platforms in the USA. Most options traders don't lose money because they picked the wrong strategy. They lose it because their platform makes them slow, sloppy, or overconfident at the exact moment speed and precision matter. The best platform isn't the one with the most features. It's the one that helps you see risk clearly, place the trade cleanly, and manage it without panic. There's one detail that decides the real winner for most people. I'll hold it until the end because it instantly narrows your choice.
This is general info, not financial or legal advice.
How I'm ranking these platforms, I'm ranking them on options workflow, not stock trading. That means the option chain experience, how you build and adjust multi-leg trades, and how clearly the platform shows probability, Greeks, and risk. I'm also weighing execution and control. Not fast clicks, but whether it's easy to set limits, avoid mistakes, and adjust without getting lost. And I'm looking at fit by trader type. Some platforms are best for learning and analysis, others are built for active options management. The best depends on who you are when the trade moves against you. Place 3. Schwab thinkorswim. Best for learning and visual clarity. If you want a platform that makes options feel understandable, thinkorswim is hard to ignore. It's known for deep charting and analysis and a layout that can help you connect the option chain to what the underlying is doing. For many traders, this is the best place to build confidence because it's easier to explore ideas without feeling like you're driving blind. It also tends to suit people who want to learn tools and build a repeatable routine. The honest downside is that power can feel heavy. If you want a simple, stripped down interface, it can feel like too much. But if clarity matters, visual control is exactly why it's here. Place 2. Tastytrade. Best for active options focused workflow. Tastytrade earns this spot because it's built around options as the main event. The platform experience is designed to make building and adjusting trades feel fast and deliberate, especially for multi-leg strategies. In real use, it's a strong fit if you're the kind of trader who tweaks positions, rolls trades, and wants the platform to feel like a cockpit made for options. The honest downside is that it's not the calmest first platform. If you're brand new, you might feel overwhelmed until your eyes learn what to focus on. But once it clicks, options first design is what makes it shine. Place 1. Interactive brokers. Best for advanced control and serious traders. Interactive brokers often wins for traders who care most about fine-grained control. It's widely chosen by people who want sophisticated routing, broad market access, and a platform that's built for serious trading workflows. This is the platform that tends to make sense when you're optimizing execution habits and you want the tooling to scale with you, not cap you. The honest downside is the same reason it wins. It can feel less friendly. If you want your platform to teach you, you may need to bring more structure yourself. But if you want maximum knobs and levers, advanced control is why it takes the top spot. Closing the loop, the one detail that picks the best platform. Here's the detail I promised. The best platform depends on whether you need confidence building, clarity, or trade management speed. If you're still learning, or you want the cleanest visual understanding of risk and setups, thinkorswim is often the best place to build skill without rushing. If you actively manage options and want a workflow that's designed around adjusting trades, Tastytrade often feels like the smoothest daily driver. If you're already serious about execution and want a platform that can match advanced needs, interactive brokers is often the best long-term fit. Pick the platform that matches who you are on a stressful day, not who you hope you'll be on your best day. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.